I started getting into surfing because of my friends. I was just paddling around the ocean, just trying to stand on my board. I caught a wave and I was riding down the face of it, stood up for a few seconds, and then it was a realization like, oh, this is what surfing is. And then from then on, I was hooked on it.
Hi, my name is Nique Miller. I'm a professional longboard surfer. I'm currently in California, and this is how I stay cute at work.
I started to really figure out a routine when I started competing on the professional level. I found that with my hair and as much time I spend surfing, it was just difficult, and I started watching some YouTube videos, asking a little bit of advice from some other girls I knew, but mainly just trial and error. I basically live in the salt water and sun, and my hair gets so dry and frizzy. Growing up, the main two people that took care of my hair was my grandma and my mother. It was definitely a little bit challenging, but they did their best. I personally have two different types of textures in my hair, and when I'm at Sephora, I can always find something not only nourish it, but bring it back to life. So what I like to do for my hair routine after I get done surfing is to go home, definitely rinse off all the salt water out of my hair. I like to use a really good shampoo. It's great for frizz and it helps keep my hair healthy looking. After I use the shampoo, I like to go in with the Gisou hair mask. It really hydrates and nourishes my hair, makes it feel so soft and shiny, and it smells great. After I get out of the shower, I like to go use a really good hydrating leave-in conditioner. It really helps detangle my hair and give it a nice slip, and also hydrates my curls. And then lastly, I like to put in a nice hair oil to really lock in the moisture. And when you let this dry in the sun, you really see your curls start to pop. I've been really loving going to Sephora. It's such a great feeling to just be able to go to any location and just have such a big variety.